What I wish I knew before I started air frying? The ultimate game changer is here, and it's going to revolutionize your kitchen game. Imagine this, you've got your air fryer, you're all set to make those super crispy fries or that juicy chicken, but what if I told you there's an ultimate secret that takes your air frying to a whole new level? Introducing the revolutionary Flavor Lock system. This isn't just any ordinary air fryer hack. With the Flavor Lock system, you can infuse your food with deeper, richer flavors like never before. Think of it as a marinade magician and a spice wizard rolled into one. No more bland bites or uneven seasoning. Picture your favorite fries, now even crispier and bursting with flavor. Or that chicken, perfectly juicy and seasoned right down to the bone. Sounds amazing, right? And the best part? It's so easy to use. You just load up your spices or marinade into the Flavor Lock compartment, set your air fryer and let it work its magic. In no time, you'll have a meal that's not just cooked to perfection, but also tastes out of this world. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to boring, bland meals and hello to the future of air frying. Join the air fryer revolution with the Flavor Lock system and elevate your everyday cooking. Don't just cook, create culinary masterpieces with every meal. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let us know what you'll be flavor locking first. Until next time, happy cooking.